everyone. Grammar. Grammar is the base of any language. Without grammar, your language cannot become perfect. If your grammar is perfect, your language has to be perfect. And learning grammar is not at all difficult, as I am going to make it easy for you. So let's start directly. Today's topic is the sentence. So we are going to learn today what is meant by a sentence. So look at the words given in the boxes. Let's see the first box. Om football plays. Now here in this box we have a group of words. But just see, Om football plays. Is this group of words make any sense? The answer is no. It is not making any sense. So now let's see the second one. Second box says students in class the sitting are. This is also a group of words, but it is also not making any sense. Let's see the third one. Capital of India, New Delhi, the is. So the third group also does not make any sense. Let's see the last one. Wall sat Humpty on Dumpty a. So the last group of words also does not make any sense. So we cannot call these groups of words as sentence, as they do not make any sense. Now then what we'll do, we'll rearrange each of these words in a different sequence. Now let's rearrange the first box and write like this. Om plays football. Now let's see what we have done. Here in the first box it was Om football plays. It was not making any sense. So what we have done, we have rearranged it as Om plays football. Now after rearranging it in this sequence, it has become meaningful. It is making sense, complete sense. So the group of words which makes complete sense is a sentence. So now we can say that this group of words is a sentence. Now let's rearrange the second, third and fourth in the same way. The second box after rearranging becomes students are sitting in the class. Okay. Now students are sitting in the class. It is making complete sense. Okay. So it is also a sentence. Third one. New Delhi is the capital of India. So now third box, it was capital of India, New Delhi, the is, where it was not making any sense. After rearranging it in this way, New Delhi is the capital of India. Now it has become meaningful. It is making complete sense. So now we can call it as a sentence. Now let's rearrange the fourth box also in the similar way. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So after rearranging the words in the fourth box, we have written Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It has become meaningful. So what is a sentence? A sentence is nothing but a group of words which makes complete sense. Okay. Now I am going to give you some work to be done at home. Some groups of words I'll give you all as a task to be done. Three boxes I'm going to give you all, where you are supposed to rearrange the words and make sentences. Birds, sky, fly, the in. This is the first box. Second one. The tall animal giraffe is. Okay, and the last one, sun, the rises east in the. So here are three boxes containing groups of words. Okay, now these groups of words does not make any sense, so they are not sentences. What you have to do is you have to arrange them so as to make a complete meaningful sentence. Okay, so this is the task for you to be done, and I hope you will do it. So today what we have done, we have learned what is a sentence. Okay, so if you have any queries, please comment. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video.